Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name's Danny. I woke up in a really great mood this morning. I don't exactly know why. Not that my mood right now is different than my mood any other morning, but I'm in an extra good mood this morning. So I definitely wanted to pick up my camera. It is yet another summer vlog. For those of you who don't know, I'm a recent college graduate. I graduated from Loyola University, Maryland, and I'm living in the Hamptons all summer with my family. So of course that means I want to be picking up my camera as much as possible. So today's vlog is going to be a lot of fun. I want to take you guys into some new healthy habits that I've been instilling in my life, and we're just gonna have some fun. We're gonna chat. So it's almost 10 o'clock now. I definitely slept in this morning more than I do pretty much any other morning, and there's really no reason for that other than the fact that I've been trying to listen to my body a little bit more and just give myself the proper amount of sleep that I think that I need. I've definitely been go for the past few days, so when I do that, I need to be able to balance myself out and give myself enough rest so I'm not crashing at like 3 p.m. like I have been more recently. One of my main goals for today is going to be to drink at least 8 of these big mason jars of water. I think I drink an okay amount of water during the day normally, but since it's really hot outside, I definitely want to try and up my water intake, so I'm going to try and drink at least 8 of these today, and we're going to start right now. Cheers. For breakfast this morning, I'm gonna be making some avocado toast. This avocado was ready last night, so I just stuck it in the fridge so it wouldn't get too soft overnight. And I've been adding some new things to my avocado toast that have made it 10 times more amazing than it already was. So let me just lay out all of my ingredients, I guess, right now, and then I'll show you guys a big overview. So here's what we're working with. I definitely think that what makes good avocado toast is using different seasonings, so it has a really good taste to it. So these are the ones I've been using recently. We have this everything bagel seasoning from a local grocery store, which is actually the exact same thing as the everything but the bagel seasoning at Trader Joe's. We have some ground black pepper, we have some sea salt, and then we have this garlic salt that I got from Wegmans a while back, which is actually really, really good. And then on top of that, I'll also put some olive oil, of course, Cholula hot sauce, and then my most recent addition to my avocado toast has been feta cheese. I only put a little bit of this, but it adds such a nice creaminess to it. And I usually don't really like feta, but on avocado toast, it tastes amazing. I am absolutely starving, so I'm gonna get started on making this right now, and I'll show you guys the final result. Mosquito bite on my neck. The heck? Oh, and I have food on my face. Now that I finished my breakfast, I want to make my coffee. So first thing I have to do is turn on the stove. And I don't think I've ever actually shared with you guys the exact measurements that I put in my coffee. It's super simple. I'm still making the same whipped TikTok coffee that everyone started making back in March. The only difference is I never stopped, and everyone else seems to have stopped a long time ago. So this is a tablespoon. I usually put in 1.5 tablespoons of sugar into a bowl. And then I match that same measurement with my instant coffee. This is the, what is this? The Nescafe Taster's Choice House Blend. It's like in between light and medium roast. I really like it. It's super, I don't know, basic, tastes good. And then I take a 1.5 tablespoons of boiling hot water, pour that into the bowl, and then we mix. And now that I mixed that, I filled a glass with ice and pour some milk. And then to add some flavor, I use my French vanilla Coffee Mate creamer. Again, nothing about any of this is really all that healthy whatsoever, but I do have a feeling that there's less sugar in this drink than there is in the drink that I normally get at Dunkin'. I don't know the measurements behind that, but it's just what my thought process is, I guess. And the good thing about this creamer is it's super strong, so you really don't need too much of it, which means you're not putting an excessive amount of sugar in your coffee. And this is my favorite part of the entire process because it's so satisfying. Ready? Just finished finished listening to the new episode of Call Her Daddy while I was finishing my coffee. And now the next order of business in my day is to go take a quick body shower. I'm not gonna wash my hair yet because I think I'm actually gonna go in the pool later today. And I've also been trying to wear my hair more natural recently. This is definitely a healthy habit that I've been trying to get into because I put a lot of heat on my hair when I try and blow dry it. For those of you who don't know, my hair is naturally, I think if I say curly, I might get yelled at, but like, what is this? Like, this is what my hair looks like when I take a curling iron to it. So I just describe it as curly, and it's always been like this ever since I was younger. But because I put so much heat on it, sometimes it just doesn't look this good. It looks fried. So I've been taking different techniques to my hair, using different products, and I actually really like how it looks. So anyway, now that I'm done with my coffee, I definitely just want to take a shower. I always have this weird chill in my bones, especially in the morning in this house. The air conditioning is so strong and there's a vent right above my bed. So when the air conditioning is at like 67 degrees, I wake up kind of freezing, but I also can't sleep in a warm room because that's just weird. So I'm gonna go take a quick body shower and then get ready for my day. I'm just gonna do a really quick makeup routine right now. Normally I wouldn't do this, especially because I definitely plan on going in the pool, but I think I want to film maybe a TikTok or two before I do so, and I would like my face to look a little bit better than it does right now. Although with a tan, I feel like I don't have to do as much as normal, but I just moisturize my face like I always do. And now I'm gonna use some sunscreen, of course. This is the Sunbum SPF 30. I have it in a lotion form and in a stick form. I think I actually might use the stick form today because it's a little bit easier, but I'll do this, probably fill in my eyebrows, a little bit mascara, and then we'll call it a day. This mosquito bite on my neck is still really bothering me, but I ended up washing my makeup brushes as well. I'm feeling really good. And now we can go out to the pool. You guys know the drill. My favorite seat, the sun, which is over there, which means I should probably rotate the chair. All right, I'm gonna lay out for like 20 minutes, not even. The UV is very high. It is hot as hell out here, and I have to wash my hair anyway, so I might as well go in the pool. Also, just look how beautiful it looks.
You're supposed to go at the peak of the clapping. You're not supposed to clap yourself.
I know.
Oh my God.
All right, while we're here, another healthy habit that I've been trying to get into recently is reading. I've mentioned it quite a few times, but I have been reading this book for far too long. It's not even that lengthy of a book, so the fact that it's taken me as long as it has is slightly embarrassing, but I'm definitely getting through it, and it's really, really good. And in order to encourage myself more, I ordered this book, and this is called Why Men Love Bitches. I have heard from all of the influential women that I follow on Instagram and in my personal life that I need to read this book, and all women need to read this book. I just love this line. It says, "From doormat to dream girl, a woman's guide to holding her own in a relationship." I honestly don't know how it's written. I haven't even read the back, if we're being totally honest, but it does seem like a very important book for me to read, and I think anything that I'm doing to kind of push myself in the direction of reading more is definitely important. So this has definitely been a healthy habit that I've been trying to get into, and I'm happy I have. I finished my lunch and it was delicious, and now I'm gonna take a quick shower to wash all the chlorine out of my hair just so I can put in my hair product. Hopefully it does the same thing that it did for me last time, but updates to come. While I'm in the shower, I'm gonna play one of my new Spotify playlists. Last night I was kind of bored and I did a whole Spotify makeover for myself where I made a bunch of really specific playlists and I gave them cool cover art, and I don't know, I see so many TikTok videos of people doing this where they have really specific playlist names for different occasions, and I just think it's really fun, so I did that for myself. I shared it on Instagram last night and a bunch of you guys seem to absolutely love it, so if you guys want to follow me on Spotify, you can find me under the username Danielle Jordan, just like my Instagram and just like my YouTube. right, people, 6 o'clock now, almost, and I just washed and diffused my hair, got ready for the night, and my family and I decided to go out to dinner tonight. We did this in my last video, which makes it seem like we do it really often, but we really don't. This is a very rare occurrence, but I'm really excited because we're going to a restaurant that's located right near the restaurant that we went to in my last video. It's a very similar ambiance, very similar food, but I've never been. So I'm super excited, and it just gave me an excuse to put on a fun outfit, so hopefully I'll get a picture or two tonight. That would be nice. So I'll show you guys my outfit, and then we're probably gonna end up heading out within the next 20 minutes. Oh, let's move it, he says. So here's my outfit. My family's rushing me out the door. My shirt is from Misguided. Jeans are from Urban, same ones I was wearing in my last video. I'm wearing all of my normal jewelry. Ana Luisa, I forget where this layered necklace is from, and then this was some YouTuber's merch that I bought forever ago. And then my hoops from Boohoo, little hoops from Ana Luisa, and that's it. And the same bag. You guys know the drill. Let's go. All right, people, and just like that, I'm back home in bed in a sweatshirt, just whacked my head on my headboard, and that's probably gonna be the rest of my night. I just finished glass of water number 9, which feels really good. I never drink this much water in a day, although I definitely should. I feel like this still is not enough water for a human being to drink in one day, especially during the summer. So I'm getting there. I also had a cocktail at dinner. So life really is all about balance. I think I said it in the beginning, and if I didn't, I'll say it again. I'm well aware that I'm not the healthiest eater by any means. I never claimed to be, but I do think that it's important to make healthy choices for yourself, even if it's benefiting you mentally or physically, whatever the case is. It's important to always be bettering yourself, and I am taking little steps every day to continue doing that for me, but nothing is perfect. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I thought it was kind of fun, kind of different, and if you guys want more themed vlogs like this, especially because I feel like they can get kind of repetitive, let me know, because I thought that this was different for my channel, I suppose. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. It really does mean the world to me. You guys mean the world to me. And I'll talk to you very soon in another video. Bye.